Yeah, my body is bodying a little bit. Excuse my elbows. They're a little ashy.
I am a homo.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is felipecharming. I'm doing a summer swimsuit haul. This video is not sponsored, by the way. Either way, my opinion will be my opinion, and that's on her. We're gonna get right into it. I know a lot of us grew up wearing gym shorts. Personally, I grew up wearing gym shorts to the beach and to the pools. Swimsuits were never like a priority for me, because as a guy, like, you know, you don't really prioritize swimwear. I can't speak for all of us, but personally, I didn't. That's why I wanted to do this haul. As men, you have options. You know, you can have a snug, cute, good fit. This first pair, they're like these orange. They're netted, like they have the black lining that swimsuits would have. I really love the fit. They're super snug. I just like how they feel on the body. And is that a wet spot? Hold on.
Hold on on that. Hold on. I'm not gonna say that. Hold on.
In this video, it looks like I have a wet spot. It's not wet though. Oh, you know what it could be? I sprayed bronzer spray tan on me. All in all, I love these. Great fit. Personally, I have been styling my swimsuits as of late. These tops are from Boohoo. They're really cute. No, not Boohoo. They're from PacSun. Both a size small with the exception of the one that I'm wearing, which you'll see later on in this haul. So it's like really cute. Love the patterns. Like tribal-esque. It's not exactly tribal, but it's really cute. It went well with this swimsuit as well as the next one that you're about to see. It has like orange detailing in it, so I felt like it could pair well with these. I've worn it once to the beach. This is actually the only one I wore to the beach. Cute pattern, but still simple. It has like orange, blue, and yellow. Gives me 70s vibes almost. Love that. These next shorts, I also really love how these fit. That's the one thing about all these, they fit so well. I'm not just saying that. They're like blue, aqua, greenish color with light yellow and dark yellow accents. Super cute. Again, these are lined with the same black lining. They have the same man tag. The orange ones had that as well. I'm not sure if these are still on the site. If they are, I'll link the ones that are still available on the site down below. Again, that is my fault, not Boohoo's fault. These are another one of my favorites. They fit so snug and I love the pattern. It's like, it's a pattern, but it's not an aggressive pattern. We'll talk about this later. But it's not an aggressive pattern. If you like to play it safe, pretty much this is a safe, comfortable pattern, but it's still super cute. And you'll get a lot of compliments. I haven't worn these out as of yet, shockingly. Love these. They fit so good. They all fit so well. Again, I paired this with the same top as the other one. Yeah, it's a stretch, it's a reach, but I feel like it has similar colors in it, and it just kind of like, you know, it's two patterns, so it was like a little scary to like wear two different patterns together, but I think it works. It's the beach, it's fun, it's cute, it's...
I thought it was fun. I like the beat. So.
I like it, yeah, I like it. Next pair are like a soft kind of pink purple color. They're more on the purple side, but they're like an even blend of pink and purple. I don't know how to describe it. I don't know how it's coming off on camera, but in person they look purple pink, and on camera I'm pretty sure they look purple. Act like you don't see my burgundy drawers popping out of my swimsuit, but like the same colors. Courage the Cowardly Dog. That kind of pink, that kind of purple. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I love these. They're super cute, super comfortable, great fit. I think these are the tightest ones. They're the most snug. You're not gonna cannonball into the pool and come out of the pool with no shorts on. Your shorts are gonna stay on. Get it. Ay. I'm so annoying. Anyway, not the uh-oh dance, Lord. Anyway, so if I were to style these, I haven't worn these out yet, I don't think. Maybe I have. I don't know, Joe. The beach is still beaching, and I'm still beaching with the beach, and that's on purr. Style these puffy purple pink, Jigglypuff-esque pink shorts with this black top. It complements the swimsuit because it's black and white. It's really simple. I've worn this out with like pants and shorts, and the swimsuit has like the black strings, so I feel like it works, it goes. Everything doesn't have to be super matchy. The shirt don't gotta be pink, your pants ain't gotta be pink, your shoes ain't gotta be pink, everything don't gotta be Nike. Like, you know what I mean? You can mix and match. And don't get me wrong, love me some Nike, but you can mix and match. You don't have to follow a prerequisited style or whatever. These next pair are like, I don't know how to describe this color. It's like purple with a tinge of pink. just a tinge of pink. I don't know how to describe this color. Love this, love, love, love. Again, they fit super snug. They're really cute. They have like the little kind of like a boy short lining to it. I love that. They're really good quality. These have a white lining. I think these are the only ones with the white lining. No, I lied. There's one other pair with the white lining. The only other pair that I haven't shown you as of yet. Again, I paired these with the same black and white top just because I felt like there's a black string, black lining. It works. It goes. It's not like super matchy. Again, it's just kind of cute. And then I jokingly tied the top or whatever, you know, whatever floats your boat. I mean, honestly, if I'm lit and I'm hot, if I'm not somewhere where I can take my top off, then I'll probably just like tie it up. And then the last pair are the pair that go with the top that I'm wearing. They're like these butterfly shorts. These are my favorite. These were the first ones that I wore. Oh my god, these are like a little bit softer than all of these. They're like also trunk material, but feels like a little bit more like cloth infused. Love that. Again, these have the white lining. They're super cute. I've only worn these once. I didn't get any pictures, so I think I'm gonna wear these one more time just to get pictures for Instagram. By the time you watch this, I may have already taken pictures. Again, these are by Boohoo. Super cute. Super cute. These are my favorite. I got so many compliments. They fit so good. It's far left from what I'm used to. I'm used to like earth tones and really simple clothing in general, so this was very far left of my style. Butterflies represent transformation, so when I saw this and I saw the colors and I was like, oh my god, it's so loud, it's so out there, and I felt like almost intimidated, almost scared. But no, when I wore this, I got so many compliments. I was at like a boat party. So much fun. It was so lit. Yeah, I got some looks, I got some looks. Some people were mad to see me in my butterfly outfit, but guess what? I still wore my butterfly outfit. I got so many compliments. The selfies were bomb. I'm just mad I didn't take any like posing pictures. All in all, that's all the swimsuits. If you want to check out any of the swimsuits, be sure to check out BoohooMAN.com. So I'll link all these down below. They were super cost effective. I think these swimsuits were like $15, $20, $25 a pop. They're not too shabby. This set, I know this set was like $25, $30. Not too bad, not too shabby for a set for men. Because y'all know we spend an arm and a leg on a t-shirt. We spend an arm and a leg on underwear, socks. We spend. So for me to be able to get a whole outfit for less than $30 as a man, and I think it may have been $25. I don't remember, to be honest. It was months ago. I'll link all the information down below. Nonetheless, it was very cost effective. I wanted to invest in some swimsuits, and that's what I got. Happy with my order. Shout out to Boohoo. They did not sponsor this video. Again, I did spend my money on all these things, but love their stuff. Love the stuff. And this is not my first Boohoo order. This was my second. I placed my third recently, and I'm about to place my fourth. I love me some Boohoo. I do. If y'all want more hauls, let me know in the comment section down below. It's giving everything it was supposed to give. Again, these two tops were not from Boohoo though. These two tops were from PacSun. The top that I'm wearing was from Boohoo. All the swimsuits were from BoohooMAN. Super cute, super comfy, super good fitting, super high quality. I think this is gonna last me a while. Again, if you're interested in any of these, be sure to check out boohoo.com. If you guys want some more hauls from me, let me know in the comment section. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up so that I know you guys want more hauls from me. All my social media will be on the screen and linked down below, so be sure to go ahead and check out my description box. I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.